Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the top 5 best mirror dash cams in 2025. These models deliver upgraded 4K clarity, advanced driver assistance features, improved night vision sensors, and stronger Wi-Fi connectivity. If you're planning to upgrade your car safety tech this year, these options are worth a serious look. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. AZDOME PG17 Max 4K plus 2.5K Mirror Dashcam. The AZDOME PG17 Max features a 12-inch display, 4K front recording, 2.5K rear camera, ADAS driver alerts, BSD blind spot detection, and LCA lane change assist. It also includes a 64GB card, GPS module, parking monitor, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. This model stands out for its slick user interface, extremely sharp daytime recording, and reliable ADAS features. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi makes transferring footage faster compared to older mirror cameras. Voice control works well for hands-free operation. Pros: true 4K front plus 2.5K rear resolution. ADAS, BSD, and lane change assist. Fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Includes 64GB SD card. Excellent build quality. Cons: interface may feel advanced to new users. Rear camera video quality drops slightly at night. Number 2. Mirror Dashcam with STARVIS 2 IMX678, 4K front plus 2.5K rear. This model features the high-end STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor for front 4K recording and 2.5K rear clarity. It comes with a 12-inch mirror display, OBD hardware kit, 128GB card, GPS, G-sensor, BSD, voice commands, and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. The STARVIS 2 sensor provides excellent low-light visibility, making it one of the best night vision performers in this list. The included 128GB memory card and OBD kit add great value. Pros: STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor with outstanding night vision. 128GB SD card included. OBD hardwire kit for easy installation. Smooth 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Cons: the display can feel slightly reflective during harsh sunlight. User interface has a learning curve. Number 3. Pelsee P12 Plus 4K Mirror Dashcam. The Pelsee P12 Plus offers a 4K front camera, ADAS, BSD, a 12-inch touchscreen, GPS, 64GB card, WDR night vision, voice control, and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. The P12 Plus delivers a balanced performance across the board. The WDR night vision helps maintain clarity in mixed lighting conditions. ADAS and BSD work reliably, making it a good all-around choice. Pros: strong 4K footage, good WDR night vision, ADAS plus BSD features, smooth touchscreen performance. Cons: the rear camera isn't as sharp as some competitors. Wi-Fi transfer speed can vary depending on phone brand. Number 4. Pelsee P12 Pro 4K Mirror Dashcam. This upgraded model offers 4K front and 1080p rear, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi with 20 MB per second transfer speed, ADAS, BSD, GPS, voice control, and a 12-inch touchscreen. It includes a 32GB card and color night vision mode. The color night vision is the standout feature here, letting you see more detail compared to standard black and white night modes. The download speed is among the fastest in its class thanks to the enhanced Wi-Fi. Pros: fast 20 MB per second Wi-Fi transfers, color night vision, ADAS and BSD included, smooth and responsive display. Cons: rear camera only 1080p, 32GB storage feels small compared to competitors. Number 5. Pelsee P12 Pro Max 4K plus 2.5K Mirror Dashcam. The P12 Pro Max features a front 4K STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor and a rear IMX335 camera for 2.5K clarity. It comes with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, color night vision, ADAS, BSD, a 12-inch display, OBD hardwire kit, and a 128GB card. This is the premium choice from Pelsee. The combination of STARVIS 2 front sensor and IMX335 rear sensor delivers excellent day and night performance. The color night vision and included 128GB card make it ideal for users who want top-tier recording and long-term storage. Pros: STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor, 2.5K rear IMX335, 128GB card included. Excellent color night vision. OBD hardwire kit included. Cons: slightly higher price. Advanced features may overwhelm beginners. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews. All product links are in the description below, so feel free to check them out. See you in the next video.